Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered about the tools scientists use in the lab every day? Today, we're going to explore some common scientific equipment and learn what they are used for. Let's get started. First up, we have test tubes and a test tube rack. Test tubes are small, transparent glass containers used to hold or mix small amounts of liquids or solids. The rack helps keep them organized and upright during experiments. They are commonly used when performing chemical reactions. Next is the Bunsen burner. This is a gas-powered burner used for heating and sterilizing substances. It allows scientists to control the flame depending on the experiment. Now let's look at the microscope. A microscope helps us see things that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. It is widely used in biology to study cells, microorganisms, and tiny structures. There are different types of microscopes, each designed for specific purposes. A thermometer is used to measure temperature accurately. In experiments, it helps scientists monitor temperature changes and maintain precise conditions. Different types include digital, mercury, and infrared thermometers. Weighing scales are used to measure the mass of substances. They can be digital or analog, depending on the level of accuracy required. Accurate measurement is very important in scientific experiments. A beaker is a cylindrical container with measurement markings. It is used for mixing, holding, and heating liquids. Its shape makes it easy to pour and stir chemicals. Spatulas are small tools used to handle solid chemicals. They are used for scooping, transferring, or mixing powdered substances. They come in different shapes depending on their use. A pipette is used to transfer very small amounts of liquid. Think of it like a tiny straw that can pick up and release drops precisely. It is essential for accurate measurements in experiments. Crucible tongs are used to handle hot equipment safely. They are specially designed to grip and move hot materials during experiments involving high temperatures. So, these were some of the most common scientific tools used in laboratories. Each piece of equipment plays an important role in making experiments safe and accurate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching.